Fidget Fashion. But before we open it, I'm going to show you my old poppets. Here's my poppet bag I got from Christmas. Here's another one I got from Dollarama. And here's one I got from school. Okay, let's pop. Okay, now this one. Now we're gonna open my Fashion Fidget. Here it is. It's gonna be a surprise in here. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you a turn. This is the box, and I'm gonna open it with the here. Okay, this is my Fashion Fidget. Oh my goodness! This is the collectors. You can collect how many? 18 of them. The one I got is Fashionista Franny. It's right here, the one right here. And I like this one because it's like a tie-dye. This one we collected. This one. It's like a little keychain too. It is so cute. This is so cool. I love it. This thing spins. This thing stretch. And this thing pops. And turn. I'll pop it. Turn. I'm gonna collect everything. 17 more of this. Before I can have a whole keychain and I can collect everything. And it's so cool. And you can bring it in every trip you want. The something Fashionista Franny. Her dress is made out of a fidget spinner poppet, and her ribbon turns and turns and turns. And her back is a keychain, and her hair really swirly string. Let's see if she can finish the obstacle course. This is the hard obstacle course. She has to pop each one of these at a whole time record. Good thing she's wearing running shoes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Look, we need to restart that one. She's gonna try it again. She's faster than everyone. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time right there. She won. Then no one won a race. She just did it on her second try. Everyone had to do it at her 10th tries. Bye-bye. See you next time. Like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. Pop out of here.